Good afternoon, everybody. It is November 3rd, 2011. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. We've got a lot to talk about. Big weather changes. I promised you that November was going to bring some significant changes in a more active pattern, and that's exactly what is happening. Let's take a look at the satellite view this afternoon. Here's that area of low pressure over top of us this evening, and it is rotating around, and that is where our clouds are coming from. Let me put that in motion. Take off the isobars there. You see this is the water vapor, and you see the rain here in the green just spinning right on top of us. Let me remove radar. This is the water vapor, and look at that spin right over us, bringing in the colder temperatures. Remember, counterclockwise circulation, bringing down the colder air, rain, drizzle, fog. Thankfully, the temperatures tonight will remain in the 40s, so we don't have to worry about any freezing precip. There was actually snow earlier today in parts of Missouri. This is a pretty significant storm system, and you can tell by satellite, wound up deep low. Thankfully, we didn't have more moisture to work with, or we would have had to be concerned about severe weather. That may come soon enough. Let's take a look at some weather maps here. This is the outside view here at the house this afternoon with the clouds and the fog and the drizzle. Let's take a look the next few days. That's what you're worried about. Tonight, the fog, the rain, the drizzle is going to continue. Tomorrow should see some clouds in the morning, and then partly sunny skies as the day wears on. Not bad, with temperatures around 58, 60 degrees. Not too bad, especially after today. Move ahead to Saturday, 60s over the region with sunshine. If you've got any outdoor activities, Saturday and Sunday should be just fine for those. Plan those activities. Enjoy this weather while it lasts. Move ahead to Sunday, 60s over the area with some sunshine. Monday, we've got a few more clouds moving in front of the next storm, which is going to arrive especially on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe some showers as early as Monday, but you see 60s ahead of that storm. Tuesday, 60s as well, possibly even some 70s as that storm winds up, pulls the air northward. More moisture, thunderstorms are going to become a concern as we move into next week. Let's look at the departures. How much below normal were we today in temperatures? Anywhere from 9 over the Evansville area, 9 degrees below normal, to 20 degrees below normal over parts of Missouri. This is a cool, cold air mass for this time of the year. Normal highs this time of year for our region are in the middle to upper 60s. We saw highs this morning top out early in the morning in the middle 50s, and they drop through the afternoon all the way down into the lower to middle 40s. I'm sitting at 42 degrees here at 5:30 p.m. So pretty cold for this time of the year. Look at tomorrow. More seasonable, just a few degrees below normal as we move into Saturday, moving more into the above normal weather. Now let's get to the action. We've got big changes ahead of us. Let's move forward. This is Friday, no concerns. Saturday, no concerns in our region. Sunday, this big storm over the northern plains primes the atmosphere, pulling moisture northward. And as that occurs, another storm is going to form over the central United States on Monday and Tuesday. And this is the one of concern as it pulls to the north-northeast. It's going to pull up more moisture, possibly have some instability with it. Strong wind fields. Here we go. The low moves over Chicago, 997 millibars. Strong cold front trailing from it. Showers and thunderstorms likely on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thinking right now the cold front moves through our region sometime on Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Squall line with it. Can't rule out severe weather yet. Too soon to know about instability, but something we're going to have to watch. We've been talking about these storms since October 22nd. Those are always the ones you have to watch that we see on the maps well in advance. So it is a concern. Stay tuned. And then I'm going to move forward into next weekend. Watch as another storm takes shape to our west. This is on November 13th, 12th, and 13th. So more active weather after that. There's the 14th and the 15th. Cold air comes in behind this one. Middle of the month, I've outlined in my long-range outlook, potential for colder than normal weather. Active pattern developing. Storm Prediction Center has already outlined a risk of severe weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. This will be adjusted and shifted as we figure out the storm path. So stay tuned on that as we move through the next few days. I will update the blog and update the video. Bottom line, some severe weather, some strong storms possible next week, centered on the Tuesday-Wednesday time frame, and more active weather after that. Have a good weekend.